Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on arithmetic progression. It is taken from the paper 0606, March 2024, variant 1-2. So question is in front of you, and question is talking about first three terms of an arithmetic progression. Now we know when it is talking about first three terms, we have in our mind a plus d, a plus 2d, right? First term, second term, and third term. And when we have to find the difference, we can find out by subtracting second term minus first term or third term minus second term. So let's write here. First term is given to you Lg theta power 2, which can be written as 2 times Lg theta. Now this is because of the power law. Now just to help you recall power law, what is that? In logarithm we have studied if something is written like this, then this power can come here as a multiplier and it can be written as b Lg a. So this is what we are doing here. This is the first term. Second term, because it is in the same progression, so I am taking it from here, Lg theta 5. It will be 5 times Lg theta. And the third term given to us in the question is Lg theta power 8, which can be written as 8 times Lg theta. Now what is given to us is sum of the n terms is given to you 4732 Lg theta. So to find out d, which is the difference, what will I do? I will do either second term minus first term, or I can do third term minus second term. You can do any one. So I am doing second term minus first term, changing the color just to make it little different. So I'm writing 5 Lg theta. By the way, this will give me what? Difference, okay? Theta minus 2 Lg theta. This will be equivalent to what? 3 Lg theta. So you got your d here. Now in part 1, sum of nth term is given. Now you have to recall the nth term formula. It will be given to you in MF 19 as well. So you do not need to remember it by heart. You can see it from there. So this is the formula which I am writing here. Now I will substitute the values in it, okay? So sum of nth term is given to me 4732 Lg theta. It is given to us in the question. Okay, so I'm writing as it is. N I have to find out, which is the question here. So n I will write down as it is. So what is A? A is given to us here, 2 Lg theta. It is also given to us in the question, 2 Lg theta, plus then it is n minus 1, and difference we have just calculated above, 3 Lg theta. After that simple algebraic manipulation, I will multiply 2 by this, and n I will multiply by this term and then by this term. Okay, so what is 4732 times 2? You can pick up the calculator. I'm also using a calculator here. 9464. 2 times 4732, right? Then 2 times 2 is 4, times n is 2n Lg theta. Let me make it little clear so that it looks neat as well. Okay, all right. So then I'm multiplying 3 times n is 3n, and this n will also multiply. So it will become 3n square Lg theta. Be very careful in your calculation. Then 3 times 1 is 3, and multiply by this n. It will be 3n Lg theta. This is the point where mostly mistake happens, right? So you just need to be careful. Now, sorry, this is not 2, this is 4. You see, I made mistake. I was telling you to be careful, and I've made mistake myself. After all, A is human, right? So 2 2s are 4 because this 2 is multiplying by this 2. Now this term and this term is like term. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'm bringing everything to right hand side and it will become 3n square Lg theta. I'm writing this term as it is. And then this term 4n log theta and 3n log theta. After subtraction, it will become n log theta. Agreed? And I'm bringing this left hand side to the right hand side. It will become 9,464 Lg theta. Now if you take Lg theta common out and divide by 0 at this side, what will you get here? Absolutely right. You got 3n square minus n minus 9,464. Now this is your quadratic equation if calculator is not allowed, because now next year the paper 1 will be without calculator. So you can apply quadratic formula here. I'm using calculator for the time being, and one value is positive, one is negative. So I'm using positive value here. What is the reason? Because n is representing what here? Terms, first term, second term, third term. So it cannot be negative, right? So that's why n is equals to 56. So if this question is in paper 1, you will use without calculator, you will use quadratic formula here. Now second part, this sum is equals to minus 14196. Okay, so this is given to you. At the same time, sum is given to you in part 1, which is 4732 Lg theta. So I can write here 4732 Lg theta equals to minus 14196. It is a 1 mark question and I have to find the value of log theta. So Lg theta equals to minus 14196 divided by 4732. So what did you get? What is Lg theta? This is equals to minus 3. Right. Now this is a log form. Do you know how to change log form into index form? Because for this you should have very strong concept of log. So just to help you recall, if you don't remember, if you have it log form, which is suppose Lg, when it is written only Lg, it means base 10, right? This is understood thing. So we know, let me write here general basically. Tick, 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 tick. Okay, so if you know log b base a equals to x, for example, when you change this log form into index form, it becomes b is equals to a power x, right? In this case, my base is 10 here, right? Which is not mentioned here. Whenever it is Lg, it is base 10. So I can write theta equals to 10 power minus 3, right? Because of this conversion concept, I know this thing. So theta equals to 1 over 10 power 3, which is 1000, which is equals to 0.001. By the way, you can write directly this thing. I have done this step just to explain it to you. Question is saying find your answer in exact form. So my answer is 0.001. So I hope you understood this concept. If you have any query, you can write it in the comment box. I'll explain it to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.